K-pop's dance machine turns 30 on July 18. This milestone highlights his journey from a young boy with big dreams to one of the industry's most influential figures, earning the title Idol of Idols. Taemin debuted in 2008 as the youngest member of SHINee under SM Entertainment as just 14 years old. His exceptional dance skills and boyish charm quickly captivated audiences. SHINee gained fame with hits like Replay, Ring Ding Dong, and Lucifer, known for the innovative music and intricate choreography. Taemin's talent shone brightly, establishing him as one of the best dancers in K-pop. In 2014, Taemin launched his solo career with the mini-album Ace, marking his transformation from a cute magnate to a charismatic solo artist. Subsequent releases like Press It and Move showcases evolving musicality and bold performance style, with Move Disease going viral for his androgynous concept and fluid choreography. Continuing his exploration of musical horizons, Taemin released his second full-length album, Want. The title track, a seductive dance member, further showcased his exceptional dance skills and charismatic stage presence. In 2020, he unveiled the ambitious two-part album, Never Gonna Dance Again. Act 1 featured criminal and dark synth-pop track, highlighting his captivating performance style, while Act 2 included Idea exploring themes of identity and self-discovery. Taemin's 2023 release, Guilty, continues its tradition of innovation. The album blends pop, R&B, electronic and experimental sounds. The title track is a hauntingly beautiful song exploring themes of love, regret and redemption. The accompanying music video features mesmerizing choreography and stunning visuals with a dance challenge covered by industry stars including BTS Jimin. Taemin's influence on younger idols and his continuous growth have solidified his status as a K-pop legend. Known for his humility and genuine personality, Taemin has won a dedicated fan base, Showers and Taemins, who support him through every phase of his career. As he celebrates his 30th birthday, Taemin's journey from a dreamer to an icon continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide.